Mabuhay ug maayong hapon Subuanon. Ako si Sophie Maxim Margareta Granmo, napulo og siyam ang panuwigon. Mapasigarbuhong nagarepresentar sa garbo sa Lapu-Lapu. Mabuhay Birhen sa Regla, mabuhi ka Subuanon. My festival costume is a striking representation of the Nuestra Señora Virgen de Regla. This design features a long blue cape that mirrors the Virgin's traditional attire, with golden embroidery adding a touch of regal elegance. The center of my costume is a figure that is predominantly displaying the Black Madonna, complete with a smaller image of Child Jesus in ornate clothing. This design is a spectacular representation that we are devoted to the patroness, blending artistic craftsmanship and deep religious significance. Daghang salamat.
Gikan sa lungsod sa Sogod. Ani ang Festival Queen sa Panagsogod Festival.